So my question is 428 divided by 4. The 4 being the divisor and the 428 the dividend. And so because 4 is the number I'm dividing the 428 into, down here I have 4 bins, which are my 4 groups that I'm dividing into. And so I took my 420 into parts, and I have 400, and 2 tens, which is 20, and 8 ones, which is 8. And so this is how you would put it in an algorithm. And so the question would be, does my 400 go into my 4 bins? And yes, they do. And so I will have 1 in each bin. So for the algorithm, it would be, does my 400 go into my 4 bins? And yes, it does. And so I have 1 in each, right? And which gives me, use up all the 4s, which gives me none left. So all my 4s are in a bin. And so I have my 400 divided up here in my bins. So I cross them off over here. And now I have to divide my 10s into my 4 bins. But 2 doesn't go into 4. So on the algorithm I have to bring down the 2, but 4 doesn't go into 2, so it goes 0 times into 2. And then I have to bring down the 8. So I have to change my 10s into 1s. And so here I took my 2 10s, made them into 20 ones, and added them to my 8 ones which I already had, which gave me 28 ones. And that's what I also have here in the algorithm, 28 ones. And so I have to see how many times does my 4, or how many times does my 28 go into the 4 bins. And so, as you know in your multiplication tables, 4 times 7 is 28, which means 7 ones in each bin, which will give me none left. And so how you do this in the algorithm is you have your 28. So 4 times 7 equals 28, right? And 28 minus 28 is of course 0. And so I have 0 left, and the number 107 is what I have in each bin. And so these are the final groups with 107 in each. And this is the final algorithm. And there is no remainder to this answer. Thank you for watching. The end.